Hey guys, today we're doing a science experiment. We're doing the walking water experiment. You'll need 6 glasses and 6 paper towels and red, yellow, and blue food coloring. Let me tell you something. So, don't you see that this is red, but the cap is yellow? This is actually yellow food coloring, even though it's red. Once it mixes with water, it will turn yellow. Now, you may be wondering, how do you fold these paper towels? And this is how. You need to first fold it in half and then run your hand down it like this. And then fold it again right here. And then you turn it here. And then you need to do this 6 times. Now let's fill the glasses with water. But we're only going to fill this one, and this one. And also we're going to pour 3 quarters. That's what the book says. Now we have filled the glasses alternate. This one is full, but this one doesn't have. This one is full, this one doesn't have. This one is full, but this one doesn't have. Now let's add the food coloring. Okay, just like add 1 drop. Now we put all the food coloring. Now let's add in the paper towel. Add the flaps in like this. Let's put that and add the Now it will take some time to mix. Hey guys, we left this overnight and this is what it became. So let me tell you how the primary colors make the secondary colors. And the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And the secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. So red and yellow make orange, and yellow and blue make green. And also red and blue make purple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.